This is a 6x4 light type tractor customized by my customer. You can see it has less leaf springs and meanwhile smaller load capacity. On the other hand, it has faster speed. The whole truck body is in good condition. Wipers, truck lights, and horns all work perfectly, and the sound of the engine is very powerful. A new air chamber has been replaced for the customer. This is an additional aluminum fuel tank ordered by the customer. The interior of the truck has been replaced with new accessories. The seat is an airbag seat, which can provide you a much more comfortable driving experience.